Nairobi.
Thank you, Ian, for that report. Meanwhile, DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua's much-publicized Ruto 8 for accountability statement has attracted sharp criticism from government-allied leaders. The leaders hit back at Gachagua, dismissing the assessment of Ruto's 4 years in office as malicious, misleading and reckless. Jesse Rogers with the details.
Following DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua's scathing assessment of President Ruto's 4 years in office, where he accused the president of, among other things, centralizing power, looting public coffers, abandoning constitutional democracy, and capturing institutions, various leaders allied to government have now come out to rubbish the much-publicized Ruto at 4 accountability statement by Gachagua as complete hogwash. Treasury CS John Badi saying Gachagua's opposition to President Ruto is on ethnic grounds and not facts, highlighting different sector achievements under Ruto's leadership.
You know, these guys are hiding. The truth is, most of these people are fighting Ruto on ethnic grounds, not on economy. If it is economy, actually we should be called to be celebrated. Yeah. Some of us should be given awards in this country because we have removed Kenya to where it was almost tipping.
National Assembly Majority Leader and Kikuyu Member of Parliament Kimani Ichung'wah equally called out Gachagua for resorting to what he termed as playing petty politics with the country's security and its agencies.
He has made numerous wild and frivolous allegations without proof. He is determined to dilute objective national security agencies by aiming his petty political arsenals to diligent security officers. He is desperate to bastardize security agencies, to cause anarchy and subvert the rule of law.
National Assembly Minority Leader Junet Mohammed hit back at Gachagua for questioning the circumstances surrounding the death of the late Raila Odinga, adding that ODM would keep off political formations that include the former deputy president.
Rigathi is on a fishing expedition, desperate for attention, to salvage his dwindling political fortunes. And this one I want to make it very clear to him. ODM, my party, will never be in any formation that has Rigathi Gachagua inside. Yeah. For now, into the future, and even for the next 50 years, if he's still alive.
One of the issues Gachagua singled out was the Hustler Fund, a flagship economic program under Ruto's administration, questioning the program's effectiveness and what he termed as a high rate of loan defaults and low loan disbursements. MSME's Principal Secretary Susan Mangeni termed the claims sensational, adding that 420,000 Kenyans in Nyeri County alone have accessed the Hustler Fund, with Nyeri having the highest repayment rate in the country at 88%.
That was it for today.
Jesse Rogers, KTN.
What was presented